Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then, we are back with the results of close-up coins. Only 5 coins to guess in this video, but it was a super difficult one indeed. We start off then, coin number 1, it is the Plume 3 ostrich feathers off the 2p coin. On to number 2. One of the rarest Beatrix Potter 50p's, it's that from the 2018 Peter Rabbit, eating those radishes. As we know, he doesn't like to eat carrots. On to number 3 we go, this one. I'm sure a lot of you have got this one in your coin collections at home. A lot of people did guess this one correctly. It's that of the 2003 Suffragettes 50p coin. There is the suffragette lady handcuffed to the railings. Number 4 is where things do start to get a little bit difficult, and we dive into those larger, older styled 50p coins with the D-Day 50p. This one though, maybe a little bit of a trick, maybe a hard one, but there was 2 people managed to guess it correctly. Norman Graham got there in the end, and it is the Dove of Peace £2 coin. Smithy, Francisco Pizzo were the first 2 people to get 5 correct. Again, a huge shout out to Norman Graham. A lot of people getting 4 correct, including Squirreling coins. And again, I do think I was maybe a little bit mean with that final coin there. Hope you've all enjoyed this one. There is going to be another close-up coins game up before the end of the week. I know that it's not everyone's game, this one, but it definitely does test that coin knowledge. I am trying to get a coin quiz together. I know that a lot of you prefer one of those. That will be up as well. And we are getting back on track with the coin videos. Stay tuned for the live chat giveaway at 8 o'clock tonight. Stay safe, and as always,